tonight. Isn't she looking nice?
Well, Alaina, I must say so. You don't look so half bad yourself.
Well, thank you.
But you know what? I wonder, I bet these people are wondering why we're so dressed up tonight.
Well, folks, in case you didn't know,